Breakthrough non-GLP-1 obesity drug, SANA, turns fat cells into calorie burners. Could a revolutionary new weight loss drug, developed entirely in Uruguay, be the key to unlocking a safer and more effective solution for obesity and type 2 diabetes? Early signs point to yes. This groundbreaking drug, called SANA, is making waves in the scientific community after successfully completing its first human trials. But here's where it gets controversial. SANA operates in a completely different way than current popular weight loss treatments. SANA, developed by Eolo Pharma, a startup born from the collaboration of scientists at the Institut Pasteur de Montevideo and the University of the Republic, Udelar, takes a unique approach. Instead of suppressing appetite like many GLP-1 receptor agonists like Ozempic, SANA actually boosts your body's natural calorie-burning capacity. Imagine turning up the heat inside your body to melt away fat. That's essentially what SANA does. Laboratory studies showed promising results, with SANA preserving lean muscle mass while reducing fat mass. The Phase 1 human trials, involving 44 participants, confirmed these findings. The results were remarkable. Participants taking the maximum dose experience an average weight loss of around 3% in just 2 weeks compared to a placebo. Importantly, none of the participants experienced muscle wastage or appetite suppression, side effects often associated with GLP-1 drugs. This opens up a whole new avenue for treating obesity and metabolic disorders. World's first obesity pill burns electric calories effortlessly. Revolutionary SANA drug. Imagine a world where you could lose weight without ever stepping into a gym or changing your eating habits, where your body simply burns extra calories on its own. That's exactly what a groundbreaking new obesity pill promises to do. But here's where it gets truly revolutionary. This pill, called SANA, reprograms your fat cells to generate heat and burn calories effortlessly, all thanks to a novel mechanism that doesn't suppress your appetite. And this is the part most people miss. The pill is not just a South American achievement. It's the first of its kind, developed entirely in Uruguay by a local biotechnology startup. Scientists from the Institut Pasteur de Montevideo, IP Montevideo, and the University of the Republic, Udelar, took their earlier success with mice and moved to human trials. Their findings show that SANA, a small molecule drug, is both safe and effective for human use. This isn't your typical weight loss medication. While many existing drugs focus on reducing hunger or blocking certain hormones, SANA works by enhancing your body's ability to burn energy. Specifically, it targets a previously unexplored pathway in fat metabolism, making fat cells more active and efficient at burning calories even when you're at rest. In a Phase 1 trial involving 44 participants, SANA proved its potential. Participants who received the highest dose, 800 milligrams, lost about 3% of their body weight in just 2 weeks, all without losing muscle mass, a common side effect of some other weight loss drugs. Even more impressive, SANA improved fasting glucose levels and insulin resistance without requiring any lifestyle changes. This marks a significant departure from traditional GLP-1 therapies, which primarily reduce appetite. The magic behind SANA lies in its unique approach to internal thermogenesis. Unlike other fat-burning pills that rely on uncoupling protein 1, UCP1, which is mainly found in brown fat and play the role in temperature regulation, SANA activates white fat tissue, the type that typically stores excess calories. By binding to an enzyme called L-arginine glycine aminotransferase, AGAT, SANA accelerates the creatine-driven energy cycle in fat cells, leading to rapid fat loss and improved metabolic health. One of the most intriguing aspects of SANA is its long-lasting effect. Unlike most medications that form temporary bonds with target proteins, SANA creates a permanent change by forming a covalent bond with AGAT. This means that a single dose could potentially provide sustained benefits without the need for daily or weekly administration. However, this also introduces some concerns. If SANA were to bind to unintended proteins, it could cause unexpected biological changes or immune reactions. These potential risks will be closely examined in future studies. Phase 2 trials are said to begin in late 2025, expanding the research to include a larger group of participants, including those with type 2 diabetes. This marks a significant milestone for Eolo Pharma, the South American biotechnology company founded by the researchers behind Sana. Their goal is to bring this innovative therapy to patients worldwide, offering a safe and effective option for treating obesity. The successful completion of the Phase 1 trial is a testament to the hard work of the team at IP Montevideo and Udelar. As Pia Garat, CEO of Eolo Pharma, puts it, "We're proud to be the first biotech company in South America to take a small molecule all the way from design and synthesis to clinical testing. This breakthrough could redefine the landscape of obesity treatment, offering hope to millions struggling with weight management." What do you think? Could this new approach to weight loss revolutionize the industry? Or do you have concerns about its long-term effects? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Revolutionary weight loss drug. No nausea, no vomiting. Imagine a world where shedding pounds doesn't mean sacrificing your stomach. Sounds too good to be true? Well, hold on to your hats, because scientists might just have cracked the code. Researchers from prestigious institutions like the University of Pennsylvania and the University of Kentucky have discovered a groundbreaking method to suppress appetite and combat obesity. Their experimental drug promises to do what others can't: reduce hunger without the dreaded side effects of nausea and vomiting that come with current treatments like semaglutide found in Ozempic and Wegovy. Think about it. Semaglutide and its kin work by mimicking the GLP-1 hormone, which plays a crucial role in regulating insulin production and hunger. While these drugs can help people drop weight, they come with a hefty price tag, namely gastrointestinal discomfort. This new research is a breath of fresh air for those seeking a kinder, gentler solution to weight loss. So, how did they do it? The team zeroed in on a protein called optidecanoepeptide, ODN, which is produced by glia, the brain's support cells. Glia aren't just bystanders, they seem to play a starring role in regulating hunger. By targeting ODN, researchers hope to engage the brain's energy-regulating pathways and sidestep the nasty side effects of nausea and vomiting. In early animal trials, the drug worked wonders. Rats lost weight and saw improvements in blood sugar control when ODN was directly delivered to their hindbrain. Blocking ODN signaling, on the other hand, dampened the effects of GLP-1 treatment, suggesting a strong link between the two. But that's not all. When the researchers gave mice, rats, and shrews an experimental drug derived from ODN, called TDN, the results were nothing short of remarkable. Mice saw improvements in blood sugar control, rats lost weight without queasy side effects, and shrews, known for their sensitivity to motion sickness and vomiting, showed no signs of nausea at all. And this new drug didn't seem to mess with the animal's heart rate, movement, or temperature. This paper shows for the first time that giving a smaller version of ODN in the periphery is still effective to improve body weight and metabolic control without side effects, says Caroline Geisler, the lead study author. While these findings are promising, there's still much to learn about how ODN works in the brain to regulate hunger and blood sugar. And there's potential for even more optimized ODN-based drugs in the future. But the researchers are hopeful that this new class of drugs could match or even outperform current GLP-1 therapies without the hassle. This study is just the tip of the iceberg in the quest for better obesity and diabetes treatments. But if it pans out, it could mean a safer, more effective way to lose weight. No bath bag required. But here's where it gets controversial. What if this new drug class not only helps with weight loss, but also becomes a tool for manipulating hunger and metabolism in other ways? Could it be used for non-medical purposes, like weight management for athletes, or even as a way to control food intake in certain populations? And this is the part most people miss. What are the long-term implications of altering our body's natural hunger signals? What do you think? Is this a game changer for weight loss, or I'll be playing with fire? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Note, the study's findings are published in Science Translational Medicine. And while the researchers are optimistic about clinical trials within 2 years, there's still a long road ahead before we see this drug on pharmacy shelves. But one thing's for sure, this is a development worth keeping an eye on.